What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great day today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, I'm back. Now, before we get into the details, Impact Mailing Club has a great promotion going on right now, and I've put together a great video just for you with all the details. So click that link below. It will say promo details and get all the great information. You don't want to miss this, guys. It's a great way to start a home-based business. And what makes this one so great is we're selling leads. That is the product. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay? These are leads on peeling stick labels. It's a hot commodity. You can't be in business without leads. These are targeted people that's interested in making money from home. They've actually raised their hand and said, hey, I welcome you to send me some information in the mail about your offer, okay? So these aren't just random people, okay? And what makes these leads significant with Impact Mailing Club is they are USPS verified. So people have updated the post office with their current information. However, you will get some nixies, which are returns, but there will be a minimum. You won't get as many with Impact Mailing because they've paid for this service for them to be USPS verified, okay? So now, the home-based business opportunity is, all right, if you can take us a flyer like this is the flyer with all the lead packages on it, okay? I sell lead packages. Every time I sell a lead package, I'm compensated, a commission. With Impact Mailing Club, it's member to member. So when someone purchases the leads from your letter, they pay you directly. You don't have to wait on the company to mail a check to you. You pay directly. So if you can take a flyer and put it in envelopes, put the labels on it. Okay, these are labels. If you can stick a label on there and a stamp and put these in the mail, you can do this business, but you have to be consistent. That's the key. It sounds minute, but believe it or not, people can't do that because they quit. They quit too soon. They'll do it for 3-4 weeks or even a month or two. Hey, I tried it, it didn't work. It's not that it didn't work. You have to remain consistent. That's the key, okay? So, mail these out. And when you join my team, I will get you access to these envelopes, okay? So, that's all you have to do, guys. It's the easiest business in the world to put this in an envelope and mail it, okay? And then what happens is, in return, you get your commissions. And typically, people are mailing the commissions in the payment priority mail. And that's what you want to do, because you can track it. You want to use priority mail, get your tracking number, and when you join me, shoot me over a text with your tracking number so that I can be on the lookout for it and mark you as paid. I have to mark you as paid for you to get your welcome package, okay? The other great thing about Impact Mailing Club is you're not just working by yourself, okay? You have a team. There's 2 tiers with this. Every time one of your teammates get paid, you get paid. Okay, so that gives you leverage to make even more income off of other people's efforts, okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to show you, I've got 3 packages I'm going to show you today, okay? What I am excited about with this package, this came all the way from Hawaii. Hawaii, see that? H-I, that's Hawaii, okay? So we've got people all over the United States joining this program, okay? So I'm excited to open this one up because I haven't spoken to anybody from Hawaii, okay? So what do we have? This person joined at the Ruby level. I'm going to cover up the information. See, it says Ruby. That means I get $150 and my sponsor gets $50 because of my work, my efforts. This is the kind of program you want to get involved in. Team effort. When the team gets paid, you get paid. Okay? So, let's see what's in here. Ruby level. Wow. Okay? Stamps that I can use to mail more letters. Okay? I didn't have to pay for those. Okay? Oh, here's my other one. Get 2 books of stamps with the Ruby. Okay? So I got 150 bucks. Okay? See that? 150. Ruby level. Awesome. Welcome aboard. I can't pronounce the name, but they're from Hawaii. Awesome. Okay, so that's 150 in that one. Okay, we got another one. Let's open this one up. Let's see. It's a great business, guys. Leads will never go out of style. There's no such thing. Okay, everybody needs them. Okay, let's see what we have here. Wow. Another 150 bucks, guys. You see that? Benjamin. 150 again. Boom. It's 300, right? 2 more books of stamps I'm going to be mailing, okay? Another person, okay? This is just going on and on. It's on fire. So you definitely want to get started in this with me. Again, I'm going to match the leads that the company sends you. Doesn't matter what package you join, okay? I'm going to match that. So you're going to get extra leads, okay? Here's the third one I'm going to open up. Okay. Let's see what we got in this one. 2 more books of stamps, guys. Now, this one, wow, is another 100. Okay, so this one's 100. That means one of my teammates. Okay, this is one of my teammates upgraded, and when they upgraded, the person joined the Sapphire, and I got 100 bucks. That's from one of my teammates, okay? So again, off of other people's efforts, I'm getting paid, and you will get the same. Okay? So, get started with me in Impact Mailing Club, guys. Not bad. Okay? And look at all the stamps that I'm going to use to mail out more letters. Okay? That's all I'm doing. Of course, I'm doing videos, but this is all you have to do to make this work for you as well. Mail this letter, put it in the envelope. I'm going to give you my contact so that you can get the same custom envelopes that I'm using. Okay? I'll get that for you. Same custom envelopes that I'm using. Okay? You want these custom envelopes. Put your letter in there, mail them off, and just be consistent with it. Never quit, never give up, okay? And you have the same opportunity, okay? We all have the same amount of time every day. This doesn't take much time. It won't really interfere with what you're doing already. When you're sitting in front of the TV, or you're on your lunch break, take a few minutes, put the labels and stamps on them, fold your flyer, put it in there, and drop them in any blue mailbox or take them to the post office. That's it. That's all you got to do consistently, okay? So again, don't forget to check that link below for the promo that we have going right now. This is the perfect time to get in, okay? You can get upgraded to the next level. You want to do that. Take advantage of that. That's all I've got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. I look forward to working with each and every one of you. Give me a call if you have any questions. Look forward to working with you. Have a blessed day.